Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, I'm Benji.
And I'm Lucy.
Lucy, today I want to talk about working from home.
Good topic. A lot of people talk about that now.
Yeah, but when someone asks me, I only say one sentence.
What do you say?
I work from home.
That is already a good sentence.
Really? It feels too short.
It is short, yes, but short is okay. We just need to add a little more.
Okay, good. Not too much, please.
Not too much. We'll build it slowly. Imagine someone asks, "Do you like working from home?"
I want to say yes because no bus, no train, no outside.
Right. That is the idea. More natural, you can say, I don't need to commute.
Wait, what does commute mean?
Good question. Commute means travel to work. By bus, by train, by car, or by subway.
Ah, so commute is the trip to work.
Exactly. The trip to work, I don't need to commute.
I don't need to commute. I like that sentence. It sounds useful.
It is useful. And it explains one big good thing about working from home.
Okay, so I work from home. I don't need to commute,
Good. Now you already sound clearer.
but I want to say more. Like, because I will have more time.
Good idea. That is very close, more natural. It saves me time.
Oh, saves me time.
Yes. If something saves you time, it means you do not waste so much time. For example, no bus, no train, no long trip.
So working from home saves me time.
Exactly. It saves me time.
It saves me time. That sounds better than I will have more time.
Yes, but your idea was correct.
Good. My English was not totally broken.
Not broken, just beginner English becoming more natural.
I like that.
So now we have this. I work from home. I don't need to commute. And it saves me time.
That is already a real answer.
Yes. And now we can make it more like daily life.
Daily life. Okay.
If you save time in the morning, your day can feel easier. Maybe you can wake up a little later. Maybe you can eat at home.
Ah, yes. I eat lunch at home.
Great. You can say, I can eat lunch at home.
I can eat lunch at home.
Yes. Simple and natural. And it gives your answer a real detail.
Detail?
A detail is a small piece of information. Not just I like it, but why you like it.
Oh, okay. Lunch is a detail.
Exactly. A good little detail.
So I can say, I work from home. I don't need to commute. It saves me time. I can eat lunch at home.
Yes. That is already much better. And because you save time and you can eat at home, your day probably feels a little different.
Yes, it feels comfortable,
Perfect word.
but I don't know the full sentence.
So you can say, I feel more comfortable at home.
I feel more comfortable at home.
Good. Comfortable means relaxed and easy, like your body and your mind feel okay.
Ah, comfortable, relaxed, and easy.
I feel more comfortable at home.
I feel more comfortable at home.
Nice. Now your answer has a small structure.
A structure?
Yes. A simple way to build your answer. First, say where you work. You can say hard form, I work from home. Then give one reason. You can say, I don't need to commute. After that, add one good thing. You can say, it saves me time. Then add one real detail. You can say, I can eat lunch at home. And finally, say how you feel. You can say, I feel more comfortable at home.
Oh, I see. It is like building a small answer.
Exactly. One sentence at a time.
Can I try?
Yes. Try slowly.
I work from home 2 days a week.
Nice. Very real.
I don't need to commute.
Good.
It saves me time.
Natural.
I can eat lunch at home.
Good detail.
And I feel more comfortable at home.
That was clear.
It sounds like I can actually speak.
You can. And we can add one honest sentence too.
Honest sentence?
Yes. Because working from home is good, but maybe not perfect.
True. Sometimes it is quiet.
Right. Too quiet, maybe.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel lonely.
Yes. Lonely is a good word here. Lonely means you feel alone and maybe a little sad.
Okay. Lonely means alone and a little sad.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel a little lonely.
Sometimes I feel a little lonely. That sentence feels honest.
It is. And it makes your English sound real. You can like something and still say one small problem.
So I can say both.
Yes, I like working from home, but sometimes I feel a little lonely.
I like working from home, but sometimes I feel a little lonely. That is useful, not too negative.
Right? It is honest, not negative. Now, let's listen to a full answer. Just listen first. I work from home 2 days a week. I don't need to commute, so it saves me time. I can eat lunch at home. I feel more comfortable at home. Sometimes I feel a little lonely, but I still like working from home.
I understood that.
Good. It is simple English, but it says a lot.
Can we practice?
Yes. Let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. We'll practice the full answer in small pieces. Say it after Benji.
I work from home 2 days a week. I don't need to commute, so it saves me time. I can eat lunch at home. I feel more comfortable at home. Sometimes I feel a little lonely, but I still like working from home. That practice felt useful. I think I can really say this.
Exactly. That is the goal.
I feel happy now. Next time I know how to explain why I like working from home.
Nice. I am so glad to hear that. All right, now you, the listener, it is your turn to practice. We have one simple question for you today. Think about your own life. Do you work from home, study at home, or take classes online?
If yes, what is one good thing about it?
Maybe it saves you time,
Maybe you feel more comfortable.
or maybe sometimes you feel a little lonely.
That one is honest.
Very honest. Leave a comment and tell us.
You can write one simple sentence. It does not need to be perfect.
We would love to read your answers and cheer for you.
I want to read them too.
Today, we built one real answer step by step. Simple English, but it says a lot.
Yeah. I started with one sentence, and now I can actually talk about it.
Exactly. That is useful English. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.